This is mine, and you can't have him. This is also mine, and you can't have him. This is mine, and you can't have him. This is mine, but I guess you can have it. Psych!
Hello? Hello?
I'm pregnant.
Now, there are many different ways you can tell children how sex works, but I guess you're not allowed to say park the car in the garage. Let me just tell you why. About a week ago, my uncle finally told my cousin how sex works. Except, he decided to use the parking the car in the garage metaphor. So, we're driving back from Greensburg, me, my uncle, and my cousin, who, as I just said, learned about sex, and we finally get up to my uncle's driveway. As the garage door opened, my uncle pulls in, and we park the car in the garage. And my cousin screams,
"Oh my god, Dad's having sex!"
Scared the shit out of me, and I said,
What the fuck?
just kidding. I made that story up. Anyway. I don't even know. Sex is a beautiful thing, but fat people ruin it. I'm just saying. I've never seen a mattress fuck another mattress. You would at least think out of one of those two mattresses, one of them would at least have the common decency to at least stop and think, hey, yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Why? I think it's because we're too fat or something. Oh, yeah. Good point. Or how would you tell someone that they're bad at sex? Hey, yeah? You suck at sex.
Bitch, I got a PhD in fucking your mom!
Hey, I'm a chemistry teacher. How about you say if we go in the back and I mix my chemicals with your chemicals and see what reaction we get at the end? You would think at least one of the other mattresses would have a common